You need a collaboration stream.
Okay. Welcome everyone to Team Cat Stack. We're doing some cat warfare scrims right now. Official. I'm here with Cat Stack Snish. That's a cheeky spot you're in there.
Right, so this is you got to be in the know to get to this spot. It's a real cat stack warfare.
You have to cat stack to get up there. To be fair, so for people who don't know this game, that was back when D's was our clan name. Lol.
Yeah. Oh my god, we don't talk about those days.
Back in the day. So the armor's really good in this game because it helps you stay alive longer.
Okay.
Ah! Darn.
You spent 18 plus rating on your stream.
No. Could you imagine you get banned from Twitch for cat warfare, dude? That's
too much cat gore.
Well, I'm doing awfully right now, huh?
Yeah, I didn't want to say anything.
Yeah, no, I think it's the stress.
The stress of just having the weight of the world on your shoulders.
100%.
Being a big Twitch streamer has its downsides.
Yeah, having 10 people unfollow me in the last year makes me really upset. I'm getting stressed about it.
That is quite sad. Who would actively go on Twitch, see Mooka, and be like, "That's
unfollowed from me"? That's a cringe moment, if you ask me. Yeah, it's a free game, so anyone can join, but be warned, we are an esports org, so we're very good. See, that's a great example. Look at that. That was insane. That was what we call in cat warfare. That's what we call a turn on cat stack dole down headshot. So that was really impressive. Yeah. Well done, Snish. All right. Cut that cough out, guys.
Quebec cough out.
Oh, Quebec, this is actually gonna be a trick shot. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Wait, trick shot.
Oh my god, he's trick shotting. He's trick shotting so hard.
Oh, no! No! Oh, it's the 10. Yeah, I wanted to play more maps, just so the viewers of the video get more. Hey guys, how entertaining is this? Am I right? Cat warfare. Now that is good. But I guess
you should set the category on Twitch to cat warfare.
I have done that, but only like 5 people follow cat warfare on Twitch, so.
People follow cat warfare on Twitch.
There you go. I guess that's the positive way of looking at it.
That is the positive. Always glass half full, you know.
Yeah, glass half full. Cats killed.
Cats half dead.
Way hey, chicken A.
That's our catchphrase for cat stack.
Oh! I'm definitely falling off. I'm alive! Oh!
You literally baited me off the map. That's the new meta.
That is the new meta, bro. It's got nothing to do with actual skill. It's just baiting people off the map. Oh, another no-scope headshot! Let's go!
Oh my
god. Oh, clip that, chat. Chat, clip that. Put that
on MLG.
Oh! Mutually assured catstruction.
That was only happened once in this game.
Guys, put that one on funny fails.
I just jumped off.
Way, just can't take it. He snapped, guys. Chat, he snapped.
Getting killed too often.
He snapped, chat. Get it? Cause it's like Snapchat.
That is funny.
Trick shot! I trick shot myself off the map. How does that count as a kill?
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Why do you think I'm so good at it?
Oh, whoa, Wetnaps joined. Let's go. Welcome to the game, Wetnaps. Wetnaps is from the stream or in the stream.
Sorry, Wetnaps. You just got shot. Sorry, Wetnaps. You just got shot. Damn, Wetnaps. Nice,
Wetnaps. What?
Wetnaps, you wanna try out?
Did Wetnaps actually download the cat warfare? Oh my god! Oh my god! I did not expect Wetnaps to be this
Wetnaps,
good.
Okay, I'm about to turn on my aimbot. Wetnaps, you're done.
Do you think he has a lot of Wetnaps? Do you think he pisses himself while he sleeps? That's why his name's Wetnaps.
That's so rude.
Ah! That's rude! No! What? You're crazy! What? I don't think he's ever not got a headshot.
I don't think he's ever got
Yeah, maybe. Hang on, no, I think we should team up on Wetnaps.
Oh my god!
That was what?
You have spot on our esports team if you wanted to try out.
Yeah. Pushed off apparently. Oh, whoever gets
Yeah.
his next kill, Freddy, wins the game.
Oh. Oh.
Where
Yeah,
are
Wetnaps,
you?
we're dueling it.
I want to
We're dueling
watch.
it. Oh, he's nearly dead. Yes!
Nice job. Nice job, Freddy. Nice job.
Position on the team's just been revoked.
Wetnap, yeah. No.